Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to register the new health insurance fund, SHA. Guys, before I proceed, remember to subscribe, like and share, and you can also turn on your notification so that you get new updates on new videos. The SHA is indicating the Social Health Authority. You need to go to your browser that you are using for self-registration. You just select the www.SHA.go.ke. Then you can paste this to the browser that you are using. It will take you straight to their home page. That's the dashboard of the website. It's indicating SHA on the top left corner. Then there is a right corner where it's indicating register and login. For the initial stage, you need to, the government has indicated that every Kenyan or citizen need to do the new registration. So I'll click register. Then if you show me the terms and conditions, then I'll proceed. Under the registration process, it has two options. You can do the website registration directly, or you can proceed using the eCitizen option. So for my particular case, I will show you how to do using the SHA website. You select the ID type, that's the Kenyan, depending on the category that you fall under. Then you key in your national ID. Then indicate the number that you'll be using for the system. As the number indicates, it starts with a 254, then proceed with the number, depending either it's 07 or the 01, then proceed. You get a OTP, that's a one-time password, to the number that you had indicated. Then make sure the number that you had indicated is, you are having access to it. So key in the OTP. Then you click proceed. It will take you to the dashboard of the profile of the page that you have already created. It has step 1 indicating identification information. Step 2, that's the contact information. Step 3 is confirm and submit the details. And then the PIN setup that you'll be using to access your website. So it shows my identification information. Then you need to upload a recent passport. Then click upload. The passport needs to be a dimension of 800 by 400 pixels. And make sure it fits. Then you save. Upload was successful. Then select what is your type of employment status. Mine is self-employed, so I will indicate. What's the range of gross income that you receive? It has categories depending on the category of salary that you receive. Then which type of civil status do you have? Either you are single, married, divorced, or widow. And then you need to save the changes. Then click next. The step 2 is the contact information, that's indicating your national ID particulars. The contact information, do you have an alternative number? You can also indicate. The email address is there, but optional. The current address, you are living in Kenya, indicate the place of residence. Select the county, the sub-county. Then the postal address, you can also indicate the postal address, or you can leave it, it's optional. Then the primary care network, it will indicate there, indicating all the health care within your network. So it will narrow down to the particular health unit that you are within your region. Then you can save the changes. Then you click next. It will take you to step 3. That's you need to confirm and submit your details. So I'll just need to confirm that the details that are filled are correct. Then I'll click check the box. Then I'll click submit. So the system is indicating that I create a PIN. Create a PIN that will be used for accessing your health data in future. So you need to create a PIN that you'll be using. So you confirm for the PIN that you indicate. So make sure that you put that a PIN that you'll be able to remember each and every time. So then you click save. So the system is indicating you have successfully submitted the online pre-registration form. Next step, visit any Huduma Center, SHA point of service or M-Pesa agent to have your biometric verified. So after filling the registration, you need to visit the Huduma Center or SHA point of service or an M-Pesa agent to have your biometric verified. So guys, the system is indicating the application number. That's my application number from the system. You need to download it. Then it's indicating I need to for biometric fingerprint. Now the system is indicating for biometric it's pending. So I'll be able to do whenever the system will be ready, so that I can be able to be taken my biometrics. So guys, I hope you have learned something from the video. This is our new system, the Afya Yangu. It has a profile under it, under the SHA website. You can be able to visit it and see what's into the website. Guys, remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll appreciate your support.